Welcome to 7th video section. In the previous section we have discussed formation of PN junction and junction theory. In this section let us see IV characteristics or current voltage characteristics of a PN junction diode. PN junction diode is a device made by two semiconductor material joined together with required amount of impurity, which allows the electric current in only one direction while blocks the electric current in opposite or reverse direction. Half is doped as a P region and half is doped as an N region with a PN junction and depletion region in between. The picture shows how a PN junction look like. It is a two-terminal device. A lead from P type is anode and N type is cathode. Actually, in the market there are so many diodes available. Few of them are shown in the picture, namely Zener diode, avalanche diode, photodiode, light emitting diode, laser diode, tunnel diode, Schottky diode, varactor diode, pin diode, step recovery diode, etc. They are designed for special purpose. Actually, they differ in fabrication, material selection and dopant level. In this section, let us see IV characteristics of a PN junction diode alone. IV or VI or volt ampere characteristics of a PN junction or semiconductor diode is the curve between voltage across the junction and current through the circuit. Normally the voltage is taken along x-axis and current along y-axis. The circuit connection for determining VI characteristics of a PN junction is shown in the diagram. So the circuit connection is made as shown in the diagram. Characteristics of PN junction or semiconductor diode can be explained under three cases. Number 1, zero bias, that is no external voltage is applied or width of the depletion layer do not alters. Number 2, forward bias, external voltage decreases the built-in potential barrier and width of the depletion layer. Number 3, reverse bias, external voltage increases the built-in potential barrier and width of the depletion layer. Let us see one by one. First one, zero bias. In zero bias condition, no external voltage is applied to the PN junction. That is, circuit is open. Hence, the potential barrier and at the junction does not permit current flow. Therefore, the circuit current is 0 at voltage 0 as indicated by point O in the figure. Case 2, forward bias. In forward bias condition, P type of the PN junction is connected to the positive terminal and N type is connected to the negative terminal of the external voltage. This results in reduced potential barrier at some forward bias voltage. The potential barrier is almost eliminated and the current starts flowing in the circuit. So the diagram is a typical forward bias characteristics of a diode. Knee voltage. The minimum amount of voltage required for conducting the diode is known as knee voltage, otherwise known as threshold voltage or cut-in voltage. The forward voltage at which the current through the PN junction starts increasing rapidly is known as knee voltage. Knee voltage of germanium diode is 0.3 volt, whereas knee voltage of silicon diode is 0.7 volt. So from this instant, the current increases the increase in the forward voltage. Hence, the curve OB is obtained with forward bias as in the diagram. From the forward characteristics, it can be noted that at first, that is the region OA, the current increases very slowly and the curve is non-linear. It is because in this region, the external voltage applied to the PN junction is used in overcoming the potential barrier. However, once the external voltage exceeds the potential barrier voltage, the potential barrier is almost eliminated and the PN junction behaves as an ordinary conductor. Hence, it obeys Ohm's law. Hence, the curve AB rises very sharply with increase in external voltage and the curve is almost linear as in the diagram. Case 3, reverse bias. In reverse bias condition, the P type of the PN junction is connected to the negative terminal and N type is connected to the positive terminal of external voltage. This results in increased potential barrier at the junction. Hence, the junction resistance becomes very high, and as a result, practically no current flows through the circuit. However, a very small current of the order of microampere flows through the circuit in practice. This is known as reverse saturation current, and it is due to the minority carriers in the junction. As we already know, there are few free electrons in the p-type material and few holes in the n-type material. These free electrons in n-type and holes in the p-type are called minority carriers. The reverse bias applied to the p-n junction acts as a forward bias to the minority carriers, and hence a small current flows in the reverse direction. If the applied reverse voltage is increased continuously, the kinetic energy of the minority carriers may become high enough to knock out electrons from the semiconductor atom. At this stage, breakdown of the junction may occur. This is characterized by a sudden increase of reverse current and a sudden fall of resistance of barrier region. This may destroy the junction permanently. For proper functioning of a PN junction diode, we should know certain important terms or parameters. Number 1, breakdown voltage. It is the minimum voltage at which PN junction breaks down with sudden rise in reverse current. Number 2, knee voltage. It is the forward voltage at which the current through the junction starts to increase rapidly. Number 3, maximum forward current. It is the highest instantaneous forward current that a PN junction can conduct without damage to the junction. Number 4, PIV, peak inverse voltage. It is the maximum reverse voltage that can be applied to the PN junction without damage to the junction. Number 5, maximum power rating. It is the maximum power that can be dissipated at the junction without damaging it. If the maximum specified power dissipation is not exceeded, breakdown is not a destructive process. Hope you can now clearly understand the IV characteristics of a PN junction diode. You have to remember, in the forward bias condition, diodes acts as a on state, and in reverse bias like a off state condition. Let us see the application of PN junction diode as rectifier in the next section. Thank you.